To mark the release of Lady Bird on the 2nd of July, we've been given 3 copies to give away on DVD. In Lady Bird, Greta Gerwig reveals herself to be a bold new cinematic voice with her directorial debut, excavating both the humor and pathos in the turbulent bond between a mother and her teenage daughter. Christine, Lady Bird, McPherson, Saoirse Ronan, fights against but is exactly like her wildly loving, deeply opinionated and strong-willed mom, Laurie Metcalf, a nurse working tirelessly to keep her family afloat after Lady Bird's father, Tracy Letts, loses his job. Set in Sacramento, California in 2002, amidst the rapidly shifting American economic landscape, Lady Bird is an affecting look at the relationships that shape us, the beliefs that define us, and the unmatched beauty of a place called home. Watch our coverage of the Lady Bird press conference here. Please note, this competition is open to UK residents only. A Rafflecopter giveaway. Lady Bird is available on digital now and on DVD. The 16th of July 2018 at 23:59 GMT. The winner will be picked at random from entries received. No cash alternative is available to coincide with GDPR regulations. Competition entry information will not be stored once the competition has ended and the winners have been chosen and prizes sent out. The usual T.